Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's going to be a change in our PCs at some point. If you're a gamer and you like to use the Xbox app and have games that you might play with Game Pass or even maybe purchased some games. So there's going to be kind of convergence of Xbox, the console, and the PC. The next generation console is to be pretty much a PC that is acting as an Xbox. And in return, that means that an actual PC, a gaming PC, can also act as an Xbox. So right now, we do it through the app, which the Xbox app that comes with Windows that you can also install if you don't have it from the Microsoft Store. But things are going to be a lot better. Soon, we will have a Xbox mode. So it is being tested on some insider rings right now. The Xbox mode is different. It is, first of all, an full screen Xbox experience, just like if you would be using a real Xbox. But also, it has different new features to optimize gameplay. And one of them is going to be the fact that it stops background apps from running. And so what happens is that when you start Xbox mode, what happens is all of these background apps or background processes that are not needed will be silenced, will be paused, which should give us a better performance within the gaming system with the Xbox system when you're in Xbox mode, basically. So this is going to be interesting. It will eventually arrive to everybody. It's right now, like I said, tested in the rings of the insider, the beta and dev have, for some of you, that new Xbox mode, and you actually have in your settings a Xbox setting that says, turn on Xbox game mode and make the full screen experience. So that will come from the apps themselves and will come from the settings. Right now we have game bar settings and things like that. We don't have really a lot of options within the settings for the Xbox mode. We'll have an Xbox mode setting specifically for Windows 11, and it will actually tell you that if you want to turn on the Xbox game mode, that means that when you will play games, you will be in a game box type experiment or experience, as if you'd had a console, basically. So this is going to be interesting. It also will add all sorts of features for game controllers and more. So this is, I think, interesting for gamers out there. I think it will be a cool experience. And already some of you might be testing it in the insider rings. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.